Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Toyota RAV4 software. Keeping your vehicle's software up to date ensures optimal performance, enhances security features, and provides access to the newest functionalities. We will cover both over-the-air and USB update methods. Knowing your current software version is the first step, which you can typically find in your infotainment system's settings menu. This process is straightforward and helps maintain your RAV4 advanced systems. Over-the-air updates offer a convenient way to keep your RAV4 current. First, park your vehicle in an area with strong cellular or Wi-Fi signal. Access the Software Update section through your infotainment system settings. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download and install it. This method typically takes between 20 to 45 minutes, so ensure your vehicle remains on during the entire process for a successful update. For a USB update, begin by visiting the official Toyota website to download the correct software file for your specific RAV4 model. Transfer this file to a USB flash drive, ensuring it is formatted to FAT32. With your vehicle turned on, insert the USB drive into one of your RAV4 USB ports. The system will detect the update and guide you through the installation, which usually takes about 30 minutes. To ensure a smooth update, always maintain a stable power source. Consider running your engine or using a battery tender. It is crucial not to turn off your RAV4 or remove the USB drive until the update is fully complete, which is indicated by a confirmation message. If you encounter any difficulties or error messages, do not hesitate to contact your local Toyota dealership for professional assistance. They are equipped to handle any complex issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.